What's up, everybody? Let's talk about something real. It's all about feeling good, looking good, and making a great impression. It's your hygiene, a total game changer. When you know you smell fresh and you're clean from head to toe, your confidence shoots through the roof. You walk taller, you smile bigger, you're ready to take on the world. It's not just about others, it's about how you feel. That self-respect is powerful. It's the foundation for everything you do. Think about first impressions. Big job interview, meeting someone new, hanging out with friends. You want to bring your A game. Smelling clean signals you take care of yourself. You pay attention to details. You respect yourself and others. A non-verbal cue. I've got it together. Instant boost to your personal brand. No words needed. All right, let's get down to the basics. The foundation of smelling great starts in the shower. A quick splash of water isn't going to cut it, fellas. You need a real plan. I'm a big fan of a warm shower to start the day. Warm water opens up your pores. After a long day or tough workout, a hot bath can be incredible. It relaxes muscles and melts stress away. Either way, make sure the temperature is comfortable and you're ready to get to work. Now, let's talk tools. Your hands alone aren't enough. Let me repeat that. Your hands alone are not enough. You need something to scrub. A classic washcloth. Simple, effective, toss in the laundry. Step it up. Loofah or body scrubber. Great for exfoliation. They scrub away dead skin cells, which can make skin look dull and trap odors. A good loofah scrub boosts circulation and leaves skin smooth and refreshed. How long? This isn't a race. Be thorough. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes. Enough time to wash your entire body, scrub properly, wash your hair, and enjoy the process. Rushing means missing spots. Take your time. Start from the top and work your way down. That helps rinse off all soap and grime instead of just moving dirt around. Hit the key areas, underarms, feet, other sweaty spots. Don't neglect them. Scrub them every time. A proper shower is a ritual. It's your time to reset, get clean, and prepare for the day or night. Make it count. Walk out feeling like a new man. Okay, you're in the shower, the water is warm. You've got your loofah. Now for the most important part, the soap. The type of cleanser you use makes a huge difference. You'll see a ton of options out there. Bar soaps, body washes, shower gels. It really comes down to personal preference. They all have their own benefits. Bar soaps are classic and no fuss. Choose a moisturizing bar so it doesn't dry your skin. Body washes lather great, especially with a loofah. Many have skin-friendly ingredients. Let's talk about a key ingredient. Antibacterial properties. Antibacterial soap or body wash is a must if you're active and sweat a lot. These cleansers don't just wash away dirt. They kill odor-causing bacteria on your skin. When you sweat, bacteria break down sweat and create body odor. Eliminating the bacteria tackles the problem at its source. Look for tea tree oil or other natural antibacterial agents. This is crucial for all-day freshness. Scent matters, but don't let it be the only factor. Many products just mask odor instead of eliminating it. Pick something that cleans effectively first, with a subtle, pleasant scent as a bonus. Look for clean, fresh scents. Eucalyptus, mint, citrus, sandalwood. These are masculine and refreshing without being overpowering. Read the label's vertical bar. Choose quality ingredients. The best soap is the one that fits your skin type and lifestyle. Dry skin? Look for moisturizers like shea butter, aloe vera. Oily or acne prone? Try a clarifying wash with salicylic acid. Try a few options until your skin feels clean, comfortable, and smells fantastic. This is a key part of your hygiene arsenal. Choose wisely. Now that we've covered daily washing, let's talk about taking it to the next level with a good body scrub. This is a step a lot of guys skip, but it's a secret weapon for seriously smooth skin and an even deeper clean. A body scrub is designed to exfoliate. It physically removes the top layer of dead skin cells. Think of it like polishing your skin. Do this once or twice a week to prevent clogged pores. It helps you get a closer shave. It lets your moisturizer absorb better. It leaves your skin looking brighter and feeling incredibly soft. I've been using the Dove Men's Care Charcoal Body Scrub. It's legit. The first thing you'll notice is the texture. It's thick and gritty but not harsh. It feels really satisfying when you scrub it on. Charcoal targets impurities. Clay draws out deep dirt and oil. It's like a detox for your body, lifting away roughness and leaving smooth, clean skin. One thing to know about a scrub like this is how to use it properly. It's not a replacement for your soap, it's a partner. Lather with your body wash first. Scoop out some scrub and work it in. Focus on rough areas, elbows, knees, shoulders. Use gentle, circular motions. Don't press hard. Let the grit do the work. This two-step process ensures you're both clean and exfoliated. The scent of the Dove scrub is also on point. It has a clean, masculine fragrance with a hint of clove oil that's refreshing, but not overwhelming. It rinses off easily and doesn't leave any residue behind, just that super clean feeling. After you rinse it all off, your skin feels noticeably smoother and ready for the next step. Add this a couple times a week. Big impact. That extra credit really sets your hygiene game apart from the rest. All right, you're clean, you're exfoliated, you're feeling great. But don't run out the door just yet. We've got a couple more crucial steps. After you step out of the shower and towel off, the next move is to moisturize. Hot water and scrubbing can strip your skin of its natural oils. That can leave skin dry, tight, and itchy. Apply body lotion right after showering while skin is slightly damp to lock in moisture. Lightweight lotions absorb quickly and don't leave you sticky. Look for body-specific lotion, not face cream. A good moisturizer prevents ashiness and flaking on arms, legs, hands. It's a simple 30-second step that makes skin look and feel better. Hydrated skin holds scent longer. Now for the grand finale, the cologne. This is your signature. Choose the right scent for the time and don't overdo it. For daytime, pick something light and fresh. Herbal or citrus notes work well. Bergamot, vetiver, lavender. A couple spritzes on pulse points is enough. Wrists, neck. For the evening, go bolder and more mysterious. Think smoky and woodsy notes, sandalwood, cedar, oud, leather, tobacco. Less is more. Your scent should be a subtle discovery. And that's it. A simple routine for a fresh, confident you. Stay fresh, stay clean, gentlemen. Shalom.